Hey guys, this is Peter sharing his experience as a beginner video maker. I recently got this fantastic gear backpack from the Canon and I got so excited that I decided to make a review of it, short review. Now in middle of the day when it's really sunny outside, I set up my super studio here to make the review, and I brought all the lamps and put all the lights on and did the whole movie, and I had to discard it because it was too dark. This is max I can squeeze out of the Sony NEX-VG10. This is what I was able to get out of the 24-105 L lens at fully open 24mm f4. As you can see, it's pretty dark. And then the miracle happened. I finally got delivered my second lens after 24-105. I did a lot of research and I picked up for low light conditions the second lens in famous EF 50mm f1.4. Some people consider it the biggest value from entire Canon lineup. I bought it refurbished direct from the Canon, and if they said brand new, I will never know because it came brand new condition. Absolutely awesome. So let's see how it can perform in a low light situation. And life is beautiful when we have the right gear to work with, isn't it? Look how much more light we suddenly have here. This is incredible difference. That's that 50mm f1.4. I will also open it to see the dramatic difference on inside. It's just incredible. So this will be the comparison between the lenses on the Canon 60D and also comparison with the Camcorder. Thank you for your time and aloha!